Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equal to sin t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides and we have cos t dt. So we put this one gone here and this one gone here. The s will change by cos t dt. So we have the formula in here. Cos t square minus sin t square equals to number 1. So I will put this one go to the right and we have cos t square equal to number 1 plus sin t square. This one we change by cos t square. The square root of cos t square we have cos t. And now we need to simplify it. So we have the next formula in here. Sin t square equals to cos 2t minus number 1 over number 2. So I will put this one gone here. So I will put number 2 go outside. The integration of cos 2t we have 1 over 2 sin 2t. Number 1 that is about t and I will put about c. About t that is about this one. So we have t equals to sin of s. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.